Hi everyone, hope you all are fine. And now if you are paying a lot of dollars for these specific themes like this one, this is the Impulse theme, and Shopify is like charging you $380 just to download this theme, just to like install this theme on your Shopify store. Now this is the Dawn theme that is provided by Shopify to everyone by default. Now I'm gonna show you the preview. It looks so simple, like it doesn't have any sort of animations like in that way I'm talking about. It is so simple theme. Nobody likes to purchase something from these sort of stores as these look so unreal. Now I'm gonna show you the preview of Impulse theme that I have downloaded for free. As you can see, everything is working fine. I have added an image in the slideshow section just to make sure everything is working fine. As you can see, each and every section is available here. And now I'm gonna like go back to my Shopify theme stores and delete this theme so we can start over with these sorts of things. Like I'm gonna reinstall the theme to make sure that just to show you that things are working. The links that I'm gonna providing to you are gonna working. So what you have to do now, in the new tab, you just have to like enter a URL, appliedstore.com. so it will navigate you to a website which is belongs to me. Like I have created it, and day by day I am adding the data into it. So if your like favorite theme isn't available here, don't worry, it will be in future. So you don't have to worry about these sorts of things. You can even request me in the comment section. As you can see, now I have added a circular tick in front of theme name just to make sure these themes are available to download. Rest of the themes are still in a queue to be updated, so don't worry. And now I'm gonna go with the Prestige theme. As I show you the Impulse theme as the starting of this video, the method for all these available themes is same, so you don't have to worry about like what will be the method for the Impulse theme and what will be the method for Prestige theme. You just have to click on the theme all the way to scroll down. Okay, there will be a button, download now. You just have to click on it. It will redirect you to a download file. Okay, you just have to hold on for a second. As you can see, the total size of this file is 1.24 MB. That is not too much. Okay, so now back to the Shopify theme section. You just have to click on add themes, upload zip file, and add that file we have downloaded a few seconds ago. And now click on the upload file. The total time it will take like around 5 to 10 seconds to upload. Then the installation process started. That will take around about like 15 to 20 seconds, not too much. So after the installation of this theme, I'm gonna show you the preview that the things are working fine. I am not gonna sharing a broken link with you, so there is no problem with that. Okay, so now it's installed. Now I'm gonna show you the preview how your store gonna be look like. Okay, so this is my store right now. You can see each and every section is available here, and you can customize it at your own will. Okay, so these are the things you can like customize and arrange and delete or update some things you want according to your Shopify store. For the Impulse theme, as I told you before, the method is same. Like for the Callus theme, for Impact theme, for Prestige theme, the method is same, so you don't have to worry about what will be the method for other themes. Okay, thank you.